Here's how to download and install Roblox on your laptop or PC. We'll guide you through the process step by step, so follow this guide to know exactly what to do. So let's get started. First, you need to open a web browser of your choice like Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, or anything. Now go to roblox.com and log into your specific account. If you don't have an account, you can create one. And once logged in, the easiest way to install Roblox is to find a game that you want to play. Then click on the play button, which is highlighted in blue color. A message will appear saying that Roblox is loading and the site should detect that you don't have Roblox installed. Now click on Download a Roblox and then click on Open Roblox Game Client. The installer will download and open your file explorer at the bottom of your computer and then go to your Downloads folder. Find the Roblox Player installer file and double-click the installer to open it, and it will begin installing Roblox. Be patient while it finishes, and when the installation is complete, Roblox should now open. Click on Sign In, enter your username and password, and once signed in, you can start using Roblox. Find the game you want to play, click on it, and click on Play. The game will launch, and you can also manage your account here. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.